Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Wednesday and marks another trading day of the week. Also, today is a remarkable day as we are expecting FOMC. Is there going to be a rate cut or not? Now, if you look at the Fed funds rate, you can see the previous was 4.5 and we are expecting 4.25, meaning we are expecting a rate cut. If that happens, what happens to gold? So let's go back to the chart. So today, 6:30, 6 o'clock p.m. Ghana time, we are going to see what will happen. All right. And by 6:30, when the press conference begins, we all will see. So patience, and we are going to see to the very end. Okay, so if you come back to the chart, yesterday gold touched 3700, 3702 and dropped. I was expecting 3710, but gold said it's enough. So he only gave us 3702. Anyway, so what is likely to happen today? Let's clear everything and go to daily chart. And if you look at daily, you can see. So on Monday, the market pushed strongly, and Tuesday too, it went a little and got rejection. After it touched 37 to 0203, it went to close at 37.90. And this morning, you can see that there has been a pullback. So what is likely to happen? Oh, I am not stood here to go up. Okay. FOMC. So if FOMC wants to drop, then we should expect gold according to daily, we should expect gold at 36.42. And if it won't fly, then we should expect gold at somewhere 37.20, 37.30 zone, 37.40. All right. What is going to happen? We'll go to technicals and find out. So let's go to H4. So according to daily, these are the areas I'll be observing. Now H4. So when we come to H4, you can see clearly after they pushed to the upside, the market formed a support which went to the upside. It has come back testing the support, still respecting, right? But if you look at the pattern, you can see 1, 2, 3, an evening star with another bearish engulfing, and all still respected the support. So once this support is broken, then you should expect gold falling down. And if it is falling down, can it respect that break and retest? Or it will respect this one instead? So you can see that the lines are becoming too much. Yeah, but each line makes sense. So it is okay for me to show you. For myself, I know how to handle the market myself without using those too many lines. Okay, so can we draw a trend line too? Let's see. This trend line too makes sense, right? And you can even touch it from below and still makes sense. This is it, right? Yeah. So according to H1, you can see that the market has respected this zone already. So we should expect a push or a breakout. If it breaks this zone, then we should expect the next zone, which is this area, and may touch the trend line. And once touches the trend line, you can see that the trend line has been touched many times. All right, it has been touched many times. So it can also break as well. So I may not trade during the morning or the afternoon and patiently wait for FOMC. Maybe, okay. But of course, if I see anything, I'm going to share. So if gold is respecting this support, where is it likely to head to? Now you can see that when it got here, it gave a nice bearish engulfing before dropping. So once it respects this support, you should expect another push. And can it still go and create an all-time high? If that will happen, it will happen through the news. That is what I personally see. Because of the H4 and the H1, if it can happen that way, then it is the news pressure that will send gold to the up again. If not, it might even range in this zone until the news come, and then you see a down spike or an up spike. All right. Yeah, so guys, all we need is patience. All we need is patience. And if you look at 30 minutes, we have some hidden demand zone right there. So, which is equal to this zone as well. So the market can drop, test this area and fly or whatever it wants to do. So guys, all we need is patience. As I have said earlier, we need patience today to be able to make good decisions. If not, the market will fuck us up. Okay? So let's not be in the haste to trade. Let's just sit back, wait, and see what is really going to happen in the end. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share. And if you haven't joined the Telegram community, the link is in the description. If you're watching on TikTok, the link is in the bio. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.